Tell us about the lights that we're seeing right now, too, because I think a lot of people are curious about that.
That's
Those
a great
green
story.
strip
What are the green
lights
strips?
that we
Sure,
see?
so you're going to see on the forward end, the aft end, and also that vertical stabilizer, you're going to see some... Now just a quick display of what an afterburner can sound and look like. Now he had one engaged at that time. Now you can imagine if he has two afterburners going, how loud that's going to be. So if you don't like noise and your kids get scared, hold on to your kids, plug your ears, because it's going to get loud.
Indeed. All of that thrust gets it past the speed of sound if they want, but those lights are they used, well, obviously only at night, can't see them any other time, but what are they for?
That's right. So it's basically for your wingman, helping you be able to see your wingman at night, and at night on the forward end, the aft end, that vertical stab, helping you fly formation on your lead.
Oh, here we go.
And I think what you'll see, ladies and gentlemen, when the afterburners are on, you might see little diamonds in the afterburner flame. And those shock waves, that's the exhaust is actually going supersonic. The jet is, the exhaust is.
Oh, you got it.
Gives it the kick in the pants that a pilot needs to get into a fight or out of a fight very rapidly. Wow!
That's exactly right. That is the landing light he's got on that front nose wheel.
I wonder if he's got the tail hooked down.
Copy that, boss. Copy that.
Tonight, the whole crew right here at Miramar.
With him up on the UHF frequencies. So.
As long as he's been at burner now, Rob Ryder, and rails too, he's got to be getting to that point now where it's probably time to land.
He's probably getting pretty close. He probably has enough.
Oh, listen to that. All up and down the flight line. They like the home team, that's for sure.
Now, is he going to do a descent and landing just like he would on a carrier with that real, just planted on the runway?
The way we land, yeah, absolutely. That's how we land every